In today's world, we are surrounded by data without us even realizing it. At work, at school, even at home, there is data that needs to be sorted and analyzed. Fortunately, we can access applications such as MS Excel and MS Access to help us manage data sans the headache. But if we are unfamiliar with the said applications, then how will our lives be easier? Lucky for us, there are courses out there that can help us master these applications, and we know how hard it is to find the best one. So, in this list, we have reviewed the 5 best Microsoft courses available in Udemy. Now, you won't have a hard time looking for the best one that suits you. Just buckle your seats and hold on tight. Welcome to our list of the 5 best Microsoft courses. Let's begin. The first course on our list is a course that guarantees to take your MS Excel skills from beginner to advanced level and even beyond. Microsoft Excel, Excel from beginner to advanced. The course is being taught by a professional trainer with 15 plus years of experience in Excel training and has 169,510 students enrolled. Well, the numbers speak for themselves. The course guarantees that you will be an advanced user after the course, even if you started as a beginner. You will also learn the most common MS Excel functions often used in the office. You will be able to build a solid understanding on the basics of MS Excel, create effective spreadsheets, be able to create your own macros in VBA for day-to-day tasks, be a master of pivot tables, know your way through Microsoft Excel's add-in and Power Pivot, manage large sets of data in a table or list, master the use of the most popular and sought-after functions such as if, sum, average, VLOOKUP, index, match, and many more. And you will be able to ensure that the formulas used are clean by knowing how to audit MS Excel worksheet formulas. The course includes 16 hours on-demand video, 2 articles, 37 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and a certificate of completion. It is also important to note that even though the material was recorded with Excel 2013, it works with 2010, 2013, and 2016 as well. The course will start from the basics to give you further knowledge and then progress into intermediate and then to advanced level topics. It consists of 4 different levels: Microsoft Excel 101, an introduction to Excel; Microsoft Excel 102, intermediate level Excel; Microsoft Excel 103, advanced level Excel; and Microsoft Excel macros and VBA in 6 simple projects. And by the end of the course, you will have learned and mastered everything that you need to know and handle any task in MS Excel with confidence and efficiency, with a guarantee that you will be able to master 75 plus Excel formulas and functions with a hands-on demo from a best-selling Microsoft Excel instructor, Excel 2007-19. The second course on our list is Microsoft Excel, Advanced Excel Formulas and Functions. This course has 59,036 students enrolled. That in itself is a guarantee that you will learn how to think like Excel. Take your MS Excel skills to the next level with its hands-on, contextual examples to help you better understand Excel, rather than just knowing what the formulas and functions are for. The course offers a deep dive into Excel formulas and functions, including lookup reference functions, formula-based formatting, logical operators, text functions, statistical functions, date and time functions, array formulas, and powerful analytics tools and formulas like indirect, hyperlink, web service, and filter MXL. It guarantees that by the end of the course, you would have learned functions and formulas from scratch, which will allow you to display, filter, and analyze your data by building dynamic tools and Excel dashboards. Design your own formula-based formatting rules, join data sets from multiple sources with index, lookup, and match functions, pull real-time data from APIs directly into Excel, manipulate times, dates, text, and arrays, automate tedious and time-consuming analytics tasks using cell formulas and functions in Excel without a VBA requirement. This course includes 6.5 hours on-demand video, 2 articles, 21 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and a certificate of completion. It will be good to take note that it requires Microsoft Excel 2007 to 2019 or Office 365, as some features may not be available with the earlier versions. By enrolling in this course, you will be taught by an MOS certified Excel expert whose work has been featured by Microsoft and the New York Times. He's also the founder of Excel Maven, so you will definitely be learning from one of the best. How do you like the first 2 courses on our list? Did you see anything that you liked? If not, don't worry, because we have 3 more to review. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more significant reviews, and please hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Let's get back to the list. The 3rd course promises the whole Excel Mastery Series in one, from Excel Novice to VBA Programmer, Excel 2010, Excel 2013, Excel 2016. This is Excel Essentials, the complete Excel series level 1, 2, and 3. The 38,880 students enrolled in the course is enough proof that this is one of the best courses out there. The course is divided into 3 levels: Level 1 Beginner, Level 2 Advanced, and Level 3 BBA Programming, progressing from the basics until you reach the advanced levels. It guarantees that by the end of Level 1, you will be a master in all the basics of Excel. Build your own spreadsheets and understand how they work. Build your own formulas and use some of the Excel's built-in functions. By the end of Level 2, you would have learned how to build advanced Excel projects from scratch, make a fully functioning relational database, build Gantt charts, use Excel's built-in advanced functions to wow other people. By the end of Level 3, you should be able to understand coding and everything behind it, create fully automated reports, learn to program in VBA, use Visual Basic to fully automate Excel, create a program with simple helper solutions, develop complex applications from scratch, send and create emails and PowerPoint presentations automatically, control other applications such as Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, and even Windows itself, create Word documents using VBA code right from Excel, create folder directories in Windows automatically. The course includes 26.5 hours on-demand video, 111 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and a certificate of completion. Enrolling in this course will definitely up your Excel using levels, making you a sought-after employee. Plus, you will be taught by one of the best in this field who has over 30 years of experience with using Excel. The 3rd course on our list guarantees to make you a Microsoft Excel expert. Microsoft Excel, from beginner to expert in 6 hours. With 86,265 students currently enrolled and a money-back guarantee, this is definitely one of the best courses that you can take. The course covers everything that you need to know about Excel, from the fundamentals to the most advanced features. It is guaranteed that by the end of the course, you will be able to navigate Excel, enter and edit data, adjust how data and information are displayed, easily write formulas with the point-and-click method. You will also learn how to use absolute, relative, and mixed references, create efficient calculations with Excel functions, represent data with charts and graphs, use data tools such as subtotaling, sorting, and filtering, use freeze pane to freeze columns and rows, remove duplicated data, transpose data, leverage data with pivot tables and pivot charts, format worksheets, automate tasks by using macros, integrate MS Excel with MS Word, use passwords to protect your work, know tips and tricks as well as secrets and shortcuts, and also be able to use printing and sharing. They also provide some bonus materials that will teach you how to harvest data from the web and gather data from individuals by creating online forms. As an additional bonus, you will be able to download all of the Excel project used in the videos to help give you that hands-on feel on learning the material. Excel project files and Excel templates are also included in this course to help you learn through hands-on activities. The course includes 6.5 hours on-demand video, 2 articles, 63 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and a certificate of completion. In this course, you will be taught by a Microsoft certified master instructor with 15+ years of teaching individuals, so you can rest assured that you're learning from an expert. Are you enjoying the list so far? Did you find anything that you like? If not, we still have one more to review. Please click on the subscribe button to get more relevant reviews and hit on the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos. Now, on to the 5th course. The final course that we will review is not about MS Excel, but also handles Data Microsoft Access 2016 Masterclass Beginner to Advanced, promising to help you quickly learn how Microsoft Access 2016 can make your life easier and more productive. This course has 28,263 students enrolled, and the author's personal guarantee, aside from the 30-day money-back guarantee, that you will love what you will learn in the course. The course promises that it will help you understand how Access is constructed, also how to use major objects within the application. It will also give you the confidence to move around within the application and build effective database solutions for every unique data needs. It will help you by building a strong foundation, and by the end of the course, you will be able to understand the advantages of the structure of database files, become comfortable with the menus and ribbons, save all of your data in one place, relate tables together and resolve the one-to-many problem, reduce report prep time by having separate report formats, do calculations and easily create subtotals, use macros to automate tasks, and learn how Access can work with other MS Office programs. You will also see examples of how you can use the VBA programming language. The course includes 7.5 hours on-demand video, 2 articles, 3 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and a certificate of completion. It is also required for you to have Office 2010 or later, as the course is created using Office 2016. Enrolling in this course will give you the opportunity to be taught by 2 of the best instructors there is. One is a self-employed Access programmer and general computer consultant to small and medium-sized businesses, and the other one is a best-selling instructor with 80 courses. Both Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Access will make our daily data-filled days easier. Knowing our way around them will surely save us a lot of time as well as energy. So whether you want to learn it to add to your skill set or to help manage your business or everyday tasks, being adept at these applications will definitely give you an advantage. How did you enjoy our list for today? Did you find anything that captured your attention? If you want to try out one of these courses, the details have been prepared in the description. Head on over to that link and catch them at the best prices. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more significant reviews. Feel free to leave a comment or a suggestion. We're always thrilled to receive them. And lastly, please hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos. Thanks for watching.